Hey guys, this is a how-to instructional video on capturing low angle, high angle, pan, and tilt shots. Camera movements and angles are extremely useful in capturing powerful and beautiful footage. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to successfully use some of those techniques with different creative strategies and the limited equipment we had at hand. We used a Lumix camera with a tripod, which were both rented from the USF library to demonstrate our first low-angle shot.
Using this setup produces great quality video, but this is a little more intensive to put together and transport. First, you must attach the square from the top of the tripod by pressing the button and turning the lever.
Then you will remove the square and connect it to the camera by screwing it on. Make sure that the camera is attached securely to it. Then reattach the square to the tripod. Make sure to listen for a click and watch that the lever shifts back to its original position. Place the tripod at its lowest height and somewhat close to the object you are recording. Shift the platform on the tripod using the handle to angle the lens upward. Look at the screen to determine if the camera is positioned properly and take your shot. We then attempted to capture the same shot with an iPhone that had a pop-up stand on the back.
We placed the phone on a rock nearby in reverse camera mode so we could see the shot we were getting and position the phone correctly. The high angle shot is useful for capturing large aerial views or making someone or something look small. To demonstrate this, we went to the second floor of the Marshall Student Center to look down on the USF seal. We set up the Lumix camera on the tripod again and leaned it on the railing to avoid getting the railing in the shot. We then angled the camera down onto the seal with the lever and recorded the shot for about 10 seconds. We then captured the high angle shot with the iPhone in the adjustable tripod. We attached the tripod legs to the railing and angled the phone down at the USF seal. A pan shot can be used to capture an extensive area by simply moving the camera left to right or vice versa. We set up our Lumix camera in a central spot on Castor Beach and shot a few different takes panning the camera. We used the handle to move the camera steadily from one direction to the other on the tripod to make the shot look relatively smooth. We then shot a pan with the cell phone. We placed the tripod on a bench and moved the phone manually from one side to the other with our hands. A tilt is done by moving the camera from being pointed down to pointed up or vice versa, while keeping the camera's physical location static. This can be useful in many cases to convey low and high parts of a scene in one movement. To do this, we place a Panasonic camera in the tripod against a railing on the second floor of the education building and use the tripod's handle to slowly move the camera up from looking at the floor. We attempted the same thing with the cell phone in the tripod wrapped around a railing and turned the legs of the tripod against the railing. We also tried freehanding the tilt with the phone, but this turns out to be less stable. Thank you guys for watching this how-to instructional video. Hope it helps!